I am Pamela Gomez, the ILM Center Coordinator at the National Training Agency. Today, I'm here to tell you about our award series that will be offered this summer. The ILM offers awards, certificates, and diploma programs. But this summer, we will be focusing on the awards program. It's a shorter program than our usual certificate program that we are currently running, by the way. On June 2nd, our awards program will be offered for the first time in Nassau. Due to COVID, this program will be virtual, all online. We'll be using our learning platform, our learning management system that we call Brightspace, in conjunction with Zoom. The award series is not free. It's a tuition-based cost, at the cost of which is $995. But this summer, just for you, we will be offering this course at a discounted rate of $680. However, if you are unable to pay for the course in full, we will offer you a financing option, but that has to be done by speaking with one of the team members. I wish to tell you that this program is not a standalone program. It actually makes up one of the segments in the certificate program. So you have the option of doing the first phase of the certificate program and progressing straight through to Series 4, where you can qualify yourself for a certificate program. But that must be done in advance. We must make that agreement in advance that you will progress, or you just wanted to do one phase of it and that's sufficient. I must tell you, the award program is one of the most cost-effective programs we're offering. It's $680, but we will go into details of what you will learn, how you will progress, and also other options that we offer here at ILM and the National Training Agency. The registration drive opens at 7 p.m. tomorrow, and it will be on Zoom. The link is in our description right here. And also, we will have other members of the team available to answer questions and give you insights into the ILM. So I'm inviting you to join us tomorrow at 7 p.m. via Zoom for our registration drive. And if you so wish to register as early as today, you can start by going to our website, ntabahamas.org. There, on the ILM page, you will find the registration form at the bottom of the page. However, if you wish some email information about the program, there's also a button at the top of the page on the website, top right-hand corner. It says, sign up for ILM. Once you sign up, we'll send you an information packet that will give you more details about all the courses offered here at the National Training Center and ILM. I want to let you know the ILM is an approved center here in Nassau. It's the only one. We are a part of the City and Guilds group, and we've been here for a number of years. If you tune in tomorrow, you'll hear from our executive director, Mr. Gadville McDonald. That's all for now. I hope you'll join us, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow on our Zoom broadcast. Bye.